Day 2, Core Coaching Skills 6, GROW Model, Goal, Reality, Options, Will. The GROW model is a widely recognized framework used in coaching to facilitate personal and professional development. Its primary purpose is to guide individuals through a structured process of setting and achieving meaningful goals. The model is divided into 4 distinct stages: goal, reality, options, and will. Each stage serves a specific function, from clarifying objectives to exploring possibilities and committing to action. By following these steps, coaches and clients can work together more effectively to unlock potential and drive progress. The first step in any coaching process is to define clear objectives. This involves understanding exactly what you want to achieve and setting specific, measurable goals. Asking questions like, "What do you want to achieve?" or "How will you know you've succeeded?" helps clarify your intentions. Reflecting on "What does success look like to you?" provides a personal vision of the desired outcome. Establishing these objectives lays a strong foundation for progress and accountability. In the reality step, the focus shifts to understanding the present circumstances. This involves asking questions like, "What is happening now?" to gain clarity on the current situation. By exploring what actions have already been taken and identifying any obstacles, both the coach and the individual can develop a clear picture of the challenges at hand. This honest assessment lays the groundwork for finding effective solutions moving forward. In this step, the focus shifts to generating a range of possible strategies. By asking questions like, "What could you do?" or "What else might work?" individuals are encouraged to think creatively and explore different approaches. It's important to consider the advantages and disadvantages of each option, weighing potential outcomes before making a decision. This process helps to identify the most promising strategies and ensures that choices are made thoughtfully and with awareness of possible consequences. The fourth step, will, centers on committing to action. At this stage, the focus shifts from planning to taking concrete steps forward. Coaches often ask questions like, "What will you do next? When will you do it? And what support do you need?" These questions help clarify intentions, set timelines, and identify resources or assistance required. By addressing these points, individuals are more likely to follow through and achieve their goals. In this demonstration, we explore how the GROW model can be applied to address procrastination. The session begins by clarifying the coachee's goal, such as completing a project ahead of deadline. Next, the conversation shifts to the current reality, uncovering obstacles like distractions or lack of motivation. During the options stage, various strategies are discussed, including breaking tasks into smaller steps or setting specific times for focused work. Finally, the session concludes with the coachee committing to concrete actions, ensuring accountability and progress toward overcoming procrastination. While the GROW model provides a helpful framework for coaching, it's important to recognize when the process becomes too rigid or linear. Real conversations often require flexibility, as clients may need to revisit earlier stages or explore unexpected topics. Staying attentive to the flow of dialogue allows coaches to adapt their approach, ensuring the conversation remains relevant and effective. Consider using open-ended questions and allowing space for reflection to keep the interaction dynamic. By being responsive rather than strictly following the model, coaches can better support their clients' unique needs and goals. To effectively use the GROW model, begin by selecting a real, meaningful goal you want to achieve. For the goal stage, consider questions such as, "What do you want to accomplish? Why is this goal important to you? How will you know when you have achieved it?" In the reality stage, ask yourself, where are you now in relation to your goal? What challenges have you faced so far? What resources do you currently have? For the options stage, explore. What could you do to move forward? What alternatives have you not yet considered? Who could support you in this process? Finally, in the will stage, reflect on, what specific actions will you take? When will you start? How will you keep yourself accountable? These questions guide you through each step, helping you clarify your path and commitment. In conclusion, the GROW model offers a structured yet adaptable framework for coaching and personal development. By applying its principles flexibly, individuals and coaches can address a wide range of goals and challenges. Remember, the effectiveness of the GROW model lies in its ability to be tailored to different situations and personalities. Embracing this flexibility can lead to more meaningful progress and lasting growth.